So if you want to have the ability to send an animated GIF in the body of the email and to activate this all with your AI assistant, all that you have to do is to go into ai.dubb.com in the skills section and turn on this skill called the Dubb Video Email Sender. And then anytime you request for an email to be sent via the AI assistant, it will go ahead and paste your animated GIF into the body of the email. It's very easy to do. We encourage everyone to use this. It's a much better experience than that link. The only caveat to this is that it does put an image in the body of the email. So if this is an absolute cold email, you might want to consider putting this on the second email. It really depends on when you want to provide, a video with a link with an image. The gold is in the follow-up. There's always multiple sequence points in a sales effort. So, consider putting it in the second email if there's interest. Or if you'd like to put it up front, I think that's okay too. It really comes down to just A/B testing to see what works the best.